Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can enable the slow mode in the chat during your Kik streams. So let us guide you through this, guys. So what you want to do is navigate to your account on Kik, and what you want to do is click into your profile icon in the top right and choose Creator Dashboard. Now here in your Creator Dashboard, what you want to do is head over to the chat settings, and you will see these here under channel actions. And one of these chat settings is called slow mode. So a slow mode means that you allow your audience in your streams here in Kik to send messages in the streaming chat, not every second or all the time, but with a turned off slow mode, but let's say in intervals like after 1, 5, 15 or 30 seconds or even 2 minutes, so that these users won't be able to post another message within that interval. You can also go with custom and then set either a custom minutes or seconds, like for example, if you'd like to mute a specific user for, let's say, 15 minutes. I can't choose 15, I don't know why, but here at least it should work like this, that you enter a minute or second, click into confirm, and after that slow mode will be applied. Let me turn it off, and that's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.